Tremendo.com.
In an old building with majestic architecture and historic atmosphere, a problem arose that hindered the installation of a toilet hat in one of its bathrooms. Inside the structures, a broken cast iron pipe was found. It was determined that the most viable solution was to make an adaptation in. During the installation of the toilet, careful measurements were made and a custom support base for the toilet bowl was designed and manufactured. If the break is too large, or the cast iron pipe is in poor condition, this will require cutting and removing the damaged section of pipe and replacing it with a new one. In general, it may be necessary to replace the affected section. This will require cutting and removing the damaged section of pipe and replacing it with a new one. It may be necessary to replace the entire system with a more modern and durable one, such as PVC pipes. Taking advantage of this instance, we proceed to modify the distance between the discharge neck and the wall, which, as it is an old building, still maintains the distance from the old artifacts in the WC, which maintained a distance of 35 centimeters. Nowadays, there are no longer toilets with these measures, making it impossible to replace or modernize bathrooms in buildings that are more than 60 years old, having to make grafts and modifications respecting the already established measures. Respecting the measurements provided by the market regarding sanitary facilities with respect to WC facilities. The standardized measurement with respect to the axis of the discharge pipe, with respect to the adjacent wall, which corresponds to 30.5 cnt. Regarding the old standardized measurement, it was 35 cents and could vary considering whether the adjacent wall was made of partition or solid wall, and in addition to the respect for the measurement by the master who executes the partition work. Work completed.